let us spill this already spilled juice and get into some entertainment news. So Ayanda Ngwani opened a tombstone for her husband. I don't know if the tombstone was put in years ago or is it refurbished or what, because celebrities normally put the tombstone on the same day of the burial, right? However, this is the news that we got. But Gossip Girl obviously gossiped about it and wrote, oh, Gossip Girl Musakaula wrote, Mommy and her ugly cubs, it's not my handwriting, you guys can see, didn't even bother to invite Nonku Williams' daughter, Notile, who is forever heartful and is also Sfiso Ngwani's daughter, to the unveiling ceremony of her father, XOXO Gossip Girl. So now I'm thinking to myself, was this intentional? And if it was intentional, why do you guys think Uguti Ayanda Ngwani did not invite Unotile? Because it seemed like they were on good terms. It seemed like Ugo was vibing with Notile. What could be the problem? Those that know, please do comment down below. And while you're at it, like, share, and subscribe.